Okay, here's my Star Wars theory. Darth Plagueis is Darth Sidious. What happened was, Darth Plagueis found a way to transform or project or warg his soul, his Force ghost, into another person. That's how he stays alive. So what he's done is, he's warged himself into the young Sidious. And then, as young Sidious killed old Plagueis, who in fact was the young Sidious, trapped and warged into the Plagueis body. Then he intended to do the same to Darth Vader, to young Anakin Skywalker. He was going to warg himself then into young Anakin Skywalker. But what happened was, Anakin ran off in a rush of blood, got carved up and messed up, his whole body screwed up by Obi-Wan Kenobi. And then Plagueis went, well, bugger that. Plagueis in Sidious' body. And then, well, I'm going to need another body now, so he hung around for young Luke. He was going to then project himself into young Luke once he'd been turned, because he needs someone that's got Force power. Almost like how Goku has power. He's a conduit for the power that comes through him. And so he needed to get into a good body. So he's going to then, he forego Anakin, and he wanted to move on into Luke, once Luke had been converted to the dark side. But then Darth obviously turned on him, threw him down. That explosion of him falling down the chamber, down into that well, that wasn't actually an explosion. That was his soul, his Force ghost, his Sith ghost, walking back out of him and into the hull of the Death Star, which is now on whatever this planet is. Endor, I think it's Endor, isn't it? I can't remember. Anyhow, it's on that planet, and as a result now, I think that one of the Knights of Ren are going to be infected by him, and then pass that on to Rey. And I think Rey's the next one he wants to get into, because she's now got more ability, which is why he was quite amazed. You know, well, he wasn't, the other bloke who got carved and ass was, but he's going to walk into her body nevertheless. But I think Kylo's going to take the bullet for her and end the story by killing off Plagueis once for all, by throwing himself down a volcano or jetting himself off into the dark never regions of the universe, whatever. So that's my theory. Plagueis is in fact been transformed himself, just like in the movie Skeleton Key. So there it is.